The Touch Nexus is our most versatile tablet stand, so no matter your tablet, the Universal Touch Nexus can support it. Securing your tablet has never been easier. The Touch attaches to your tablet using strong 3M command strips and is locked with a security key and screw. To install, place the top bracket with adhesive onto your tablet. Then secure the bracket to the stand using the security key and screw to lock in place. If you ever need to release your tablet from the stand, simply remove the screw using the security key and lift the tablet from the stand. To uninstall the bracket, pull the command strip tabs to remove. The Touch Nexus likes to keep a low profile. It comfortably sits at 3.19 inches or 8.1 centimeters with a fixed 20-degree viewing angle. The Touch Nexus also features 180 degrees of swivel movement that can be locked in place if needed. The stand can also be installed in landscape or portrait to suit your use case. The Touch Nexus can be mounted in various ways. Right out of the box, the stand is a perfectly balanced freestanding solution. But if you'd like something more secure, you can mount the base to your surface using the supplied 3M adhesive or screws. As an optional add-on, our heavy-duty freestanding base is a more robust freestanding alternative. If you're after a wall mount, you can quickly and easily use the supplied screws to fix to any appropriate surface. To keep cables out of the way whilst charging your device, feed the cable behind the tablet, down the stand and out of the base. Featured here with our 180-degree USB-C adhesive cable. Like all of our stands here at BossTab, security and durability are at the forefront of everything we design, which is why our stands are made with powder-coated die-cast aluminum and work with any tablet. The Touch Nexus, securing your tablet as it was designed. Slim, sleek and unobstructed.